Ready? Now I'm going to be covering exercise 14 in your Rhino Training Manual Level 1. There's no auxiliary model associated with this exercise, but I am using a template which is small objects millimeters. However, you are free to use whatever template you prefer. Okay, so let's get started. To begin with, let's go to the top menu and select Curve, Polyline, Polyline. In the command bar, Rhino wants to know the start of the polyline. So go ahead and type in 16,5 and then press enter. Now the origin point of this particular polyline has been established. For the next point, type 5 and press enter. Now to add the angle constraint, now we're going to type in left pointing arrow 45. Which implies 45 degrees. And then press enter on your keyboard. And now we're going to pick a point down and to the right and click one time with the left mouse button. All right, moving on. For the next point, one more time, type in the number 5 and press enter. And now we need to enter the angle constraint, so type in the left pointing arrow and then 45, again that implies 45 degrees, and then press enter on your keyboard. And now the cursor is locked in 45 degree increments. So now pick a point up and to the right and click one time with your left mouse button. And now it's ready to proceed to the next step. One more time, type in the number 5 for the distance constraint. And then left pointing arrow 45 to imply a 45 degree angle constraint. And now you'll see the cursor has been locked into 45 degree increments. So go ahead and pick a point up and to the left. And now we're ready to close the polyline by moving the cursor over to the command bar and clicking close. And that concludes exercise 14.